Hi everyone, my name is Rochelle, and in today's video we're going to talk about the importance of using serums, and in particular Alpha-H's Vitamin B Serum. You might be wondering, why use a serum? What does a serum do that a moisturiser or a treatment doesn't? Serums are the couture of skincare, made to measure to specific requirements, targeting individual concerns. They have the ability to penetrate deeply into the skin and bolster your moisturiser. Alpha-H's Vitamin B Serum has been clinically proven to reduce wrinkle depth, improve firmness, radiance and clarity, and significantly hydrate the skin. This industrious vitamin serum also helps to brighten and modulate oil content in the skin while helping to reduce breakouts. If you feel like your skin is looking dull, sluggish, dehydrated, or it just needs a boost, then this serum is like Barocca. It literally puts the bounce back into your skin. Vitamin B Serum is blended with special copper peptides to energize and invigorate, while powerful natural antioxidant chia is proven to increase skin hydration. After using this serum, I found that my skin looked plumper, dewier, firmer, and just generally more vibrant. So let's have a quick look at how the product works and how to apply it. Tilt your head back and directly place one drop onto forehead, gently working it into the skin. Following this step for your cheeks, chin and nose, avoiding the delicate eye area. After using the serum, follow with your preferred Alpha-H moisturiser. So when is it best to use this product? This serum can be used morning and evening. Who can use it? Well, most skin types would benefit from using the vitamin B serum, but particularly those with dry, dull, dehydrated and prematurely aged skin, or those who are concerned about pigmentation. If you are suffering from sun damage or pigmentation, the application of sunscreen after your serum is non-negotiable. If you are serious about preventing further damage, this step is a must. Tip: always apply directly and sparingly onto the face with the pipette to avoid unnecessary wastage. Alpha-H's serums are concentrated, so a couple of drops will go a long way. Be sure to check out my other Alpha-H reviews and tutorials, and for more information about Alpha-H products, just head to alphah.com.